If it wasn't for Sam...
No. No, Greg. I just need more time. More. No. No.
I'm here, Sam. Hey, don't move, okay? Don't move. Sam, no.
Michonne, we have to help him.
You're too weak.
Let me up.
Just stay down, Sam.
I need to help him.
Go back to sleep, Sam.
But...
You need rest.
Sam. I know John can make a strong first impression, but he's what's keeping this entire family from being buried out there. You gotta fight like hell for what you care about, right? Something that makes all this shit worth it.
Yeah, fight until the day you die.
You'd be crazy to stay here, John. This woman Norma will...
There's no decision to be made on this. I need a word with you. In private. Do you have children? A son? A daughter?
I do. 2 little girls.
It snowed the day my wife died. Her heart gave out. Sam found her. She passed in her sleep. We buried her so the boys wouldn't have to see her like that. The snow, it covered her grave. Erased it. Like she'd never been there at all.
I'm really sorry for your loss.
Thank you. I've tried to focus on our kids. But the past, it always seems to find you. Ever since Sophia, I've tried to keep our family from harm. But we're falling apart, piece by piece. And now that Sam's hurt, and Greg's, I could really use your help. Your friend Pete told me all about Norma, about what happened. If she finds us, we wouldn't stand a chance. But you seem like someone who can hold their own.
Sam said you could help me. If you do that, I'll give you guys a hand.
Anything, whatever you need. Children shouldn't have to see this. Greg never turned into one of these things, did he? Or those, whatever they are.
He's at peace now.
Thank God. I'm sorry. I'm trying to keep it together. But what if you just found out your daughters were dead? And you weren't there. You were miles away, safe and sound. How would you feel?
There would be nothing else worth living for.
What's left of my family? That's what I'm living for. Peekaboo. Peekaboo.
Got it trapped like a rat now. Find her!
Take the one near the garden.
Walk him in!
You all right?
Not dead yet. You?
You must be pretty proud of yourself, huh? Caught yourself a golden goose. You think I'm shitting any eggs? Forget it. Jesus! Whoa! You don't mess around. I like that.
Does Norma know we're here?
She doesn't even know I'm here. Otherwise, you'd be hearing a neighborly knock on your door right about now.
Randall? Randall, are you getting this?
You, want to get that for me?
We heard gunshots. If you don't check in, I'm sending everyone in that direction.
Shit. She sounds pissed.
Randall, pick up, goddammit.
You gonna answer?
Talk to her, Michonne. Don't make the same mistake again.
Where the hell are you?
Yeah, I got a few words for her. Hello, Norma.
Michonne. Where's my brother?
Go on. Tell her. Don't spare any of the gory details.
Call off your people, Norma.
We can get to that, but there's something we gotta clear up first. I want the truth on this. You hear me? Did you hurt him? You so much as breathed on my brother, I'll find you and make what happened on the ferry look like a goddamn picnic! That's a fucking guarantee!
I did. Know any good surgeons? Might want to look into that.
Bitch! I will kill you myself! Okay. Let's wind this down a bit. If you've had his walkie-talkie the whole time, then you already know. We heard the shots, we know where you are. But if you let Randall go, maybe we can all walk away. Randall is the only family I have, and I'm not leaving him behind. One way or the other.
You want him? He's yours. But then you can leave us the fuck alone.
Be reasonable, Michonne. That's all I ask. We'll be there soon.
You know, this alone time, you and me together, it's been real nice. But that all ends when my sister gets here. I'm gonna take that wrench and break your skull. Then Sam's and yours. And last but not least, those kitties too. I saw their little heads in the window. Kids, you know, their skulls don't break so much as kind of melt like a rotted pumpkin. Guess I hit a button.
Michonne.
Well, hey now, don't you two look like your daddy? Back when he still had a face.
What?
Yeah, got a big hole there now.
Michonne? Is that true? Please tell me he's fucking with us. Please.
Sam, I'm sorry.
No. No. James! If he killed my dad, then why isn't this son of a bitch dead?
First good question asked all night. Michonne's just been fumbling around like a bear cub fucking a football.
Randall has more value if he's alive. Gives us something to bargain with when Norma gets here.
Listen to me. That won't work. They only bargain with bullets.
All she wants is her brother back. That's it. We're out of the equation.
You need to kill him, or I will. Sam, wait!
Don't
No matter what I say, you're just gonna do whatever you want anyway. I know you've already made up your mind.
Well, I ain't had the bell of the bar. Or maybe that's you. Because when this dance is over, you're fucked. Kill me, and Norma hunts you down until you're all dead. Fucked! Let me live, and I do even worse. Fucked. But we both know how this is gonna end, Michonne. You like killing. Then you'd like killing me, wouldn't you? Just tell old Randall the truth. I got thick skin.
You're right about that.
Feels good to get that out in the open, don't it? Or maybe you think you can rise above all that. But there ain't no heaven up there, honey. And there ain't no hell down below. There's only this shit every day until you die. Then you know what's the fucking kicker? You get up and keep walking. Now that's some biblical shit, ain't it?
If you got a point, get to it already.
On my way, darling. This is the world your kids are dying in, Michonne. Or died in. Or are in that fucking purgatory.
Shut up. Don't talk about that.
Either way, they're suffering. And Mommy isn't there. We all have our demons, honey. Some are on the inside. Some are sitting right in front of us, wondering what kind of mother brings a child into this mess of a world. Ain't no blue skies for them anymore. Guess that means the dance is over. Oh well, Norma will be here soon.